Now, students, I've just come across a little problem when I put in my ceiling. So the ceiling is here, that's in the correct position, but if you look, it looks like my trusses are coming down below that ceiling level. And if I go into a 3D and do a little orbit here, you can see what's happening there. Okay, so they're come down below, so I need to rectify that. Now, let's find out what distance is involved here. So I'm going to take a little measure here from that point to there at 73.5. Okay. Now I'm going to do this in 3D. And the best way to go with this. So I'm going to select my roof and right click and just go hide and view element, and I'm going to select my fascia, barge board and hide element. Now, so let's start off with this truss to begin with. So I selected that one. Now you can see I've got a start level offset and an end level offset. So I'm going to put in 73 here and 73 there. Now apply. When I hit apply, watch what happens. Okay, so it lifts up that 73. Now let's see if I can pick all of these. So I'm using my holding my control key down and seeing if I can add to the selection. Tricky to do. Maybe you should count these as you go through. And there's one at the edge there. Okay, now this is handy. It's allowing me to add that, modify that parameter to each one, and hit apply, and oh, they've all jumped up. Let's double check that in our section here. Okay, now I like that. All right, so they're all sitting now directly underneath the level and where the plasterboard is. And notice as well that what's happened here is that the wall has moved up because it's attached to the roof. Now the only little thing I need to adjust here is the actual roof itself, and I'll show you why if I go back to here and I want to unhide my roof, and there's a little thing. It's caused me a problem there. Let's go in here. Okay, yeah. Now, so you can see that the roof needs to be shifted up a little bit here. So I'll go into section 2 and I'll select my roof, and I'm just going to use my arrow keys. And again, I'm using my arrow keys to position the roof, if you like, the rafters into that rafter zone that we've talked about. And again, everything is kind of shifted up with that. The fascia which is attached and the barge boards attached, they'll have shifted up. If you've got a soffit under there, which is what that little thing is there, you might need to shift that up individually yourself as well. Okay.